I'm trying to live in the moment. We gotta live in the
Good morning guys! Happy Friday! So ngayon guys, pupunta na tayo ng restaurant sa baba para kumain ng breakfast. And masakit pa rin yung lalamunan natin guys. Pero hopefully makakain tayo ng bebang today dahil recommend ni ate yun guys dahil sobrang sarap daw. Let's go! Kain tayo guys. Hi guys! So ngayon punta tayo sa Venice Mall ata yun. And then after nun, mamimili na tayo ng final guys para sa babaunin natin sa Japan. And today is our last day guys! So let's go! And I think it's currently 9 something if I'm not mistaken. Oh, 10:38 na pala guys. Ang bilis ng oras. So, let's go na guys.
Excuse me. Yes. Carmela.
We're here guys. Wow. Look at that guys. Nag-appear kami na Batangas guys. Welcome to Venice Grand Canal guys. あそこだよ、私が言ってるの。あの船だよ。その船。Guys, nagkamali ata ako ng damit.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right.
Sana guys, nag-one piece na lang pala ako. Hindi na ayon yung damit ko guys. Kala ko kasi malamig. Guys, sayang minimum yung 4, then ito 2. So nag-iisip kami kung sasakay kami nito. Pero sobrang init pa ngayon guys, sobrang araw, kaya pag-isipan muna namin. でもこれさ、多分2人組と一緒に行けるんじゃない？
そう、今はできない。20って何時から？
そうね。To gondola ride?
If only two, it's okay, you will share with others.
Yes. Nakabili na kami ng ticket guys. So sakay na kami ngayon dahil mamaya mamimili pa tayo.
Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Hey, never the same. Like calling my name, I'm taking my seat. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand.
Buti na lang may
I know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Guys, may pa-picture sila. Oh, libre lang din to. Nice, so nice.
Dito pa ni shake it, guys.
인터넷에なんか冷たいもの頼む。
Yeah.
오, 스트로베리 스프레쉬. root beer flower.
飲みたい？
응.
どれがいい？これ美味しそう。
これ
order muna po kami ng root beer float. Okay po. Ilan naman po? Okay, guys.
Wait lang, ma'am. Balikan kita, ma'am. Wait lang. Ito.
そんな冷たくない。
Mas beto yung cold guys. Kain tayo, guys.
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger's dream. Lock up this heart of mine, wanna wear it on my sleeve. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new, and I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Wanna throw away your enmity. Wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna wipe our slate clean. Wanna pick this thing up right where we left off. Wanna block your number, take one last time, make it another. Wish I was one or the other. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new, and I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true.
Guys, we're back. So, ayusin ko lang itong mga gamit namin, guys. And, mamayang gabi, guys, baka magkita kami ng pinsan ko for dinner. Magdi-dinner daw kami. And, bago yon ayusin na muna natin yung gamit natin. Yung haul, guys, pag-uwi na lang tayo mag-haul, okay? Sa ngayon, ayusin na lang muna natin itong mga to. Guys, pinalan ko nga rin pala si ate nito, guys, dahil favorite niya to. And last time, nagpapabili siya sa akin nito nung magkakasama kami nila Bill. Pero, nung time na yun guys, wala dun sa BGC na supermarket, na SM supermarket. But this time, sa may, kami pumunta guys, sa MOA ni Tem. And nakita ko to guys. Kaya, for sure, matutuwa yun. Dahil, sobrang nostalgic na itong pagkain na to guys. Para sa amin. Dahil nung mga bata kami guys, ito yung kinakain namin. So, yes. And, pinilan ko din yung ka-work ko guys, ng Dutch milk. Pero, 90 ml lang kasi hindi ko sure kung pwede since milk to and yogurt. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung pwede kasi never ko pa na bili to and yogurt siya guys. Kaya hindi ko talaga siya binibili dahil hindi naman ako mahilig sa yogurt. Pero since gusto nung ka-work ko guys, kaya binilan ko siya. Pero ang liit. Medyo nahihiya ako ibigay pero kung ako yun guys, matutuwa ako kahit maliit lang to, matutuwa ako dahil at least natikman ko ulit. Kaya sana matuwa siya and sana maging okay sa eroplano guys. Natatakot ako. And yeah, and also this one, ito na lang yung mga ipapamigay namin sa mga ka-work namin. And we're almost done na guys. We're almost done. So yeah, sa Japan ko na lang ulit i-haul to mga gamit na pinamili namin guys. So, and si Tem nga pala guys, kumuha ng Uber. Dahil may in-order tayo guys. Yung halo-halo, bebang halo-halo. And it's Ate's ni-recommend ni ate yung bebang halo-halo guys. And masarap daw yun. Kaya let's try it and let's rate it. I-rate din natin yun guys. Kaya hintayin muna natin si Tem. Pero wala pa siya. Kaya magligpit na muna tayo. Yan na guys. Let's try it. Try muna natin to guys. Hi! We got it na!
Hey, good.
We got it na! Sobrang blurred nyo naman. Let's taste test. First is this one. Ano ba to?
Talina. Presidential.
Presidential. Let's try it, guys. Presidential. George! Mamsi and Papsi, we're gonna try it now, okay? May sayaw kayo. Ang lambot, guys.
Try mo muna, tapos haluin mo na after.
Okay.
Oh.
Fudge! Sarap.
Akala ka pa sila.
Sarap na. Oishii yo. Kenti, tabeteru? Oishii ne. Sarap, guys. Creamy. Creamy! George, wanna taste it? Ha?
Si tema paanin mo, tapos yung mais con yelo ikaw.
Pepe mix shite datte. Dami request ng ate ko, guys.
Hindi kasi para, alam mo,
And this,
maubos mo na yung presidential.
mais con yelo. Same lang ba to? Ng laman?
Hindi, mais. Siyempre, mais.
Light siya.
Oo nga, light lang siya. Kaya yung pag gusto mo ng hindi heavy, gusto mo ng mais,
Kuchi
yung
wa
fresh.
usui.
Hindi na usoy. Parang, alam mo yung naka-nostalgic.
Hindi, compare sa ano.
Yung mais con yelo.
Oo.
Ayun, ganun. Kasi kung magmamango ka to all heavy, diba? Ito at least presidential tsaka balance lang.
Nirecommend to ni ate, guys, dahil sabi niya sobrang sarap daw and I agree with her. Masarap nga, guys. Hindi, kore mo ushi. Ang sarap!
Diba? Kasi ang dami niyang yellow, diba? Yung
Hala, parang nakaka-addict.
nakaka-addict, diba? Kaya everyday kami kumakain yun eh. Namimiss ko na nga eh.
Eh kasi last time, dumina ko kahapon pa yun. Nung isang araw.
Kaya inaraw-araw namin.
Wala
kasi,
daw.
Ano yun, namimiss ko na.
Let's try
Tingnan mo
this
yung
halo.
yung loob nung presidential na. Sarap, no?
Oh.
Nakaka-addict, no?
Pero mas bet ko yung halo-halo.
Tapos, sabi ko, gusto ko ng light, sabi ko. Tapos nung tumigyan ng course, ito pala mas bet ko kapag light lang ang gusto ko. Yung hindi ako, yung alam mo, minsan gusto mo lang ng chill lang, di ba? Parang, nung mais kong yellow ka, gets mo?
Oo.
Talaga ako bet ko dito talaga presidential. Pero pagka minsan hindi mo magsasawa ka, magmais kong yellow ka. Alam mo yung parang wala kang yung ano
Gusto
ba,
mo lang
light
ng
siya.
something na malamig, na matamis.
Hindi, yung parang masarap siya, pero ayaw mo na masyadong, yung ayaw mo nung di ba minsan kasi president nakakapuso kasi ang daming sahog. Pero yung pag may gusto mo yung chill lang, wala masyadong ingredients. Pero gusto mo pa rin ng parang halo-halo style. Yung ma-dessert, yan, mais kong yellow ang recommend ko. Kasi literal na mais lang siya, tsaka leche plan, nagets mo?
Oo.
Kasi kung magpe-presidential ka, tapos magmamango graham, ayun ang mga mango, ang bigat, parang ang bigat, diba? Pero kung gusto mo both, at least tig-isa kayo, tapos ano, tig-tig na.
Oo. Ito na nga nangyari. Nakalahati niya na agad, oh.
Diba? Sarap, diba? Pwede mo lagay sa ref, hindi na mawawala yung rasa niyo.
Matutunaw yung leso.
Hindi. Sa freezer, malamang.
Ref lang to, hindi freezer. Hotel to eh. Hi guys, nagpalit ako ng damit dahil namantsahan yung damit ko kanina. So let's go! Guys, lakad muna kami papunta sa Park Hall pa yun? Ano ba tawag dun guys? Ayun o, yung mall na yan. Yan. Kasi guys, bibilan natin sila ate ng Mary Grace cheese roll dahil hindi sila nakabili. Tapos guys, sa BJC daw tayo kakain nila ate ni buffet. So, ready na natin ang stomach natin. So landmark mo chikay dyan. Guys, look at the view. Ang ganda ng view guys. Guys, dito na lang kami sa landmark pumunta kasi medyo malayo yung ano nun, yung stoplight nung sa kabila. Kaya dito na lang para malapit yung stoplight. Mary Grace lang bibili namin dito guys, tapos punta na kami ng BGC. Dito na tayo guys. Dito na kami guys. Guys, may paganito sila and so, kahit ano daw pwede kainin dito. Wow, so nice.
Did you make two wrongs? Know that daddy never made a right.
Nani tapetay?
You were never made to be the judge, darling. He never changed his way for me to budge, darling. It's feeling like a cold dark winter, the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave, yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark winter, the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave. One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing. Through the cold dark winter. Did you say goodbye? by, knowing damn well everybody gon' die someday? Did you waste my time, knowing damn well we can press rewind? One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing. Through the cold dark winter, it's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave. Yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees. Yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave. One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing. Through the cold dark winter, it's feeling like a cold dark winter.
Kain tayo, guys. Tapos na kami kumain and punta kami sa Dunkin Donut ngayon para mag-take out yung choco butter nut ba yun? And then after nun, uwi na kami guys dahil maaga pa kami bukas and maliligo pa kami pag-uwi. So let's go! Guys, palagi gusto kong bigyan. Ending, pumili na lang ako ng icy chocolate drink. Pero gusto ko sana yung chocolate butternut. Kaso, na. Nakadalawang punta na kami sa Dunkin Donut guys. Kaso, wala rin both. Kaya, ending, uwi na lang kami. And, bukas, 9 AM kasi yung bukas. Pero, hindi ko sure kung makakapunta. Sana makapunta kami. Hopefully. Inom tayo guys. And hopefully, makapunta kami bukas. Sana. Gusto ko pa naman talin sa Japan yun. So anyway, update na lang namin kayo guys. Hinihintay lang namin yung Grab tapos uwi na kami.